Honda has a long history of environmental stewardship, especially when it comes to technological advancements, from engine technology to hybrids, plug-in hybrids, and even hydrogen vehicles. Honda has a target of reducing by 2020 its global CO2 emissions by 30% compared to 2000 levels, and to cut total corporate CO2 emissions in half by 2050. This means that every part of the way Honda makes products and the attitude it has towards the environment is reflected in its environmental vision of blue skies for our children. And this starts with the people that work for Honda and the places that they work. I'm just north of Toronto at the Honda Canada head office, and this attitude is reflected all around me. This doesn't look like a typical suburban office, more like a park. The shrubs and the landscaping look natural to the area. Then there's the roof of the buildings. They're white to reflect heat, and they also collect water. That water is then reused for all of the landscaping. Then there are the buildings themselves. The tower is LEED Gold certified, and the rest of the office is LEED Silver certified, and they use efficient in-floor heating. Look, charging stations for any plug-in hybrid or electric vehicle. Inside, they use LED lighting. We're heading to the associate dining room to find out how everybody pitches in to reduce waste. This is a zero waste to landfill office, meaning that everything here is recyclable. From food scraps to paper and plastics, even the cups and plates are compostable. The philosophy behind Blue Skies for Our Children is something that the people inside the company embrace and live every single day. But it doesn't stop here. Just north of the GTA is the Honda of Canada manufacturing plant in Alliston, Ontario. This facility is also zero waste to landfill with a certification of ISO 14001. The plant has targets for reducing greenhouse gas emissions, and Honda works with suppliers to reduce wasteful packaging or produce packaging that can be reused. When the Honda Civic and CR-V models that are manufactured here are ready to leave the facility, 80% are sent by train, which is 4 times more efficient than shipping by truck, reducing CO2 emissions by 60 to 80%. So consumers have choices to purchase vehicles that greatly reduce their impact on the environment. It's nice to know there's a major manufacturer like Honda that is committed to engineering a cleaner future for generations to come.